Alright, we're going to show you how to install the libraries for Mind's Eye in Arduino 1.8.19. So first thing we do is we're going to go up to where it says Sketch here. We'll go down to where it says Include Library, and then over to Manage Libraries. And we'll click that, and then in a second or two we'll get a pop-up window. It'll download the library index. Once that's done, and here in the search bar we can type in MINDS. Hit enter, and it will search. We're going to end up with Mind's Eye Drone and Mind's Eye. You'll have an install button, and so both of these are already installed. You want to make sure you get the 1.61, the newest one in this version, and 3.02, newest version in this one. You want to install both the libraries, and then after you install them both, you can click Close. To get the libraries to fill into the library manager in here, you'll want to make sure that you actually close down and open back up Arduino. And that should be it.